Power. Adrenaline. Action. And more at Machine Marvels. Trees, silent witnesses to history, the lungs of our planet, and the backbone of countless civilizations. But what happens when their massive roots become obstacles to progress? Today, we explore the extreme power of heavy machinery as it takes on nature's giants. Throughout history, humans have adapted tools to shape the environment, and now with modern engineering, we can cut, shred, and excavate with unparalleled precision. In this video, we'll not only witness the raw force of chainsaws and excavators, but also dive into the cultural and historical significance of tree felling and wood processing. Let's begin. The earliest tree-cutting techniques, from stone to metal. Long before machines roared through forests, ancient civilizations found ways to harness wood for survival and development. The earliest tree-cutting tools were made of sharpened stones, dating back over 8,000 years. As metallurgy advanced, bronze axes revolutionized logging. The Egyptians used wooden beams to construct their grand temples, while Mesopotamians relied on palm trees for shelter and boats. Unlike today's high-powered chainsaws, it could take days, sometimes weeks, to cut down a single massive tree with primitive tools. Timber and the rise of civilization. Wood has always been a crucial resource for human expansion. The Roman Empire thrived on it. Wooden roads, ships, and buildings formed the foundation of their mighty empire. In medieval Europe, entire forests were cleared to build castles, cathedrals, and warships. The Vikings were master woodworkers, crafting longships that enabled them to conquer distant lands. Imagine if they had access to the monstrous machines we use today. As we see these powerful machines tear through thick roots and tree trunks, think about how much time and effort was needed centuries ago for the same task. Logging was not just a necessity, it was a way of life. The Industrial Revolution. Chainsaws changed the game. The 19th century marked a turning point. The invention of the steam-powered sawmill, and later the first chainsaw in the early 20th century, transformed logging forever. No longer did workers need to rely on axes and handsaws mechanization took over, increasing efficiency and reducing labor costs. Today's excavators and shredders are capable of demolishing an entire tree in moments, something unimaginable in the past.
It'll go to 5200. You can do all this shit. Stimulate max pressure.
Underground challenges. Tree roots are more than just underground extensions. They are survival networks. Some root systems stretch out for miles, intertwining with others to create vast underground ecosystems. The Pando Aspen Grove in Utah, for example, is considered one of the oldest and largest living organisms on Earth. Its interconnected root system spans over 100 acres and has been alive for more than 80,000 years. But what happens when massive roots disrupt urban infrastructure? Roads crack, pipelines break, and foundations weaken. That's where powerful stump grinders and root shredders come in. Watch as these colossal machines tackle centuries-old roots, breaking them down in minutes. Sustainability versus efficiency. While machines have made tree cutting faster and more efficient, modern society faces a dilemma. How do we balance industrial needs with environmental responsibility? Deforestation has led to significant climate concerns, prompting sustainable logging practices. Selective cutting, reforestation projects, and improved technology aim to minimize ecological damage. As we witness these trees being cut and shredded, it's essential to recognize the impact. Responsible forestry ensures that we can continue using wood without destroying the delicate balance of our ecosystems. extreme weather and tree management. Throughout history, extreme weather events such as hurricanes, tornadoes, and typhoons have devastated forests, leaving behind massive amounts of fallen trees. In ancient times, these natural disasters often led to famine and destruction, as wood was a crucial resource for fuel and construction. Today, modern machinery plays a critical role in clearing out damaged forests, preventing wildfires, and recycling wood efficiently. Watch as these high-powered chainsaws and excavators make quick work of fallen timber, turning what was once devastation into valuable resources for rebuilding. The future of tree-cutting technology. As technology advances, tree-cutting machines are becoming more precise and eco-friendly. Robotics, AI-driven saws, and automated forestry equipment are on the rise. In the near future, drones might assist in large-scale logging operations, reducing human labor even further. The machines in this video are a glimpse into what's possible when engineering meets nature. As we move forward, innovation will continue to push the boundaries of what we can achieve in forestry and land management. Conclusion. From ancient axes to modern excavators, tree cutting has evolved tremendously. What once took weeks now takes minutes, thanks to human ingenuity and machine power. As we continue to develop even more efficient ways to work with nature, it's crucial to respect and preserve our planet's resources. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the history and technology of tree cutting, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more extreme excavator power action. The role of trees in mythology and culture. Trees have always held a sacred place in human history. From the mighty Norse Yggdrasil, the tree of life, to the sacred banyan trees of India, many cultures have revered these natural giants. Some ancient civilizations believed trees held the spirits of ancestors, while others saw them as bridges between the earth and the divine. As we watch modern machines tear through thick roots and trunks, we are reminded of the deep connection between humanity and trees. This bond has shaped mythology, religion, and even our way of life for thousands of years. From temples to skyscrapers. For centuries, wood was the primary material for construction. From the towering pagodas of China to the intricate wooden churches of Russia, skilled craftsmen have used timber to build structures that have stood the test of time. Even today, innovations in wooden architecture are pushing the limits, with skyscrapers made from cross-laminated timber gaining popularity for their sustainability and strength. Seeing the power of these machines, one can't help but imagine what ancient builders could have achieved with such tools at their disposal. Recycling and reuse, the second life of trees. While tree cutting is often seen as destruction, modern industries have found ways to give wood a second life. From furniture to biofuel, every part of a tree can be repurposed. Sawdust becomes particle board, branches are turned into mulch, and even the roots can be used for paper production. These machines aren't just about destruction. They are part of a cycle that ensures trees continue to benefit us even after they are cut down. Conclusion: from ancient axes to modern excavators, tree cutting has evolved tremendously. What once took weeks now takes minutes, thanks to human ingenuity and machine power. As we continue to develop even more efficient ways to work with nature, it's crucial to respect and preserve our planet's resources. Innovations in wood recycling. As sustainability becomes a global priority, repurposing wood has taken center stage. Shredded trees are turned into biofuel, furniture, and even eco-friendly building materials. Instead of letting waste pile up, industries are finding creative ways to use every part of a tree. The timber industry is one of the largest and most influential industries worldwide, driving economies from rural villages to bustling cities. From the vast forests of Canada to the rainforests of Southeast Asia, timber is a crucial export that supports millions of livelihoods. But with the increasing demand for wood products comes the challenge of regulating trade to prevent illegal logging and deforestation. In this segment, we'll see how massive logging operations are often tied to global supply chains, supplying everything from paper products to high-end furniture. Yet, the question remains: how can we ensure sustainable trade while meeting growing demand? While machines have revolutionized tree cutting, technology is also playing a key role in preserving and protecting trees. Drones, satellite imaging, and AI are now used to monitor forests, detect illegal logging, and even track the health of tree populations. Forest management systems are being enhanced by digital tools that predict the best times for cutting while minimizing damage to the environment. Watch as we explore how technology is helping to preserve forests for future generations, blending conservation with innovation in new and exciting ways. In the past, cutting down trees was often seen as a necessary evil in the name of development and progress. However, as society has evolved, so too has our understanding of the importance of trees. Today, more and more countries are adopting green building practices and urban forestry initiatives, with cities planting trees to combat climate change and improve quality of life. In this segment, we'll delve into how modern culture has shifted from focusing solely on the utility of wood to embracing sustainability, with growing awareness of the environmental and cultural significance of preserving our natural resources. As the world continues to grapple with climate change and environmental degradation, the future of tree-cutting machinery is shifting toward more eco-friendly and sustainable solutions. Companies are developing machines that use renewable energy sources, reduce emissions, and minimize soil damage. The next generation of machines may even feature advanced technology like water-based sawdust filtration systems and non-toxic oils for lubrication. As we close out this video, we look ahead to a future where engineering and nature coexist harmoniously, ensuring that we can continue to use the Earth's resources without compromising its ability to regenerate. And with that, the story of chainsaws, excavators, and the incredible history of trees continues. The journey from ancient tools to modern machines shows us how human innovation has shaped our relationship with the natural world. Let's hope that the next chapter will be one of balance, where progress and preservation walk hand in hand. Thanks for watching.